how they move now.
Mm.
Now
I
learning
know.
about how to protect that.
At all times.
I was telling Bullet yesterday, I think it's a spiritual battle, dog.
Yeah.
It's not about, I was telling him, like, we're just physical people, got like, say, vibes.
It's a spiritual
So
battle,
spirit
bro.
that feels the vibes, bruh. So spirit that feels the vibes.
Instinct.
Instincts is your spirit to me, bruh. I think it has something to do with that, dog. Because I think all of these things are intertwined, man. If you think about it. Because why would you all of a sudden move wake up? Yeah, I don't know this guy, but hey, yeah, bonakali ngathi.
You feel some kind of vibe, man.
Yeah, you be like, yeah, that's
Feel some
bruh.
kind of way. Some type of way,
Sketchy
man.
motherfucker.
Yeah, I've like to work with the emphasis of real recognizes real, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, and
Like-
especially with the spiritual motion of
Yeah,
fire.
if the energy never lies, guys.
Exactly.
You must never kid yourself. You can maneuver and think you are moving a certain way, but eventually we gonna get you.
Yes, sir.
We gonna get you.
And it comes back to what Tapla just mentioned, the instinct part of it, you know. In Mabile, that people actually get to talk about it, because what we've been taught in schools most of the time is that we have how many sensations? We have five.
Five
But in actual-
senses.
But in actual, we have six, bro. We always had six. But it's just that the instinct part of it
Tell
is.
them the sixth one.
Yes, sir. That's the instinct, Kalu.
Yeah.
And that's how they can't control it. Since they can't control the instinct, they tell you it doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Because, for example,
Like they say,
you can control
it
what you
doesn't
hear,
exist.
you can control what you see, control what you eat, control all this, what you feel, the type you see, but they can't control what's spiritual, which is they haven't tapped into that energy. That's why they can't actually recognize it as a sensation, because they don't know how to control it. And I feel like we should be using more of that sensation. I feel like we should be studying more of it.
Yeah.
It's like this other theory I was thinking about when you're into. I was like, there's the conscious, then there's the unconscious, then within both those levels there's the subconscious, which I feel like is a mighty powerful place to be as a human being.
95% of our life is ruled by our subconscious.
Exactly. So I feel like if we could tap into those energies, I feel like that's where even the the instinct comes in, because when we're sleeping, we can feel some certain sensations. You know, you can smell something. Yeah, you can be sleeping and smell ganja and
That's
wake
the
up
su-
from like, you
Yeah,
know,
that's the.
say someone's burning some weed here. I need to look. And you can be awake and still hear the same smell. It's like even hearing it. You can be asleep, hear something make noise, like an alarm, make noise, and you eventually wake up. That means those senses, they work in both the conscious and
And the sub-
unconscious. But the subconscious one, I feel like it's the instinct type of vibes, you know. The instinct is something you can't really control. And you'd find in most cases that we as